Welcome to our comprehensive journey through human anatomy. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating structure of the human body, from the tiniest cells to the most complex organ systems. Understanding anatomy is essential for appreciating how our bodies function and how we maintain health. We'll start with the basics, introducing the major systems and their roles before diving deeper into each one. Whether you're a student, a health enthusiast, or simply curious, this overview will give you a solid foundation. Let's begin our exploration of the incredible human body and see what makes us tick. Anatomy is the branch of science that studies the structure of living organisms. In humans, it focuses on how our bodies are built, from organs and tissues down to the cellular level. By examining anatomy, we can understand how different parts of the body work together to keep us alive and healthy. This knowledge forms the basis for medicine, biology, and many health-related fields. Throughout history, anatomy has been crucial for medical advancements and for understanding disease. Let's look at how anatomy is organized and why it's so important. Human body is organized into different levels, each building upon the previous one. We start with atoms and molecules, which combine to form cells, the basic units of life. Groups of similar cells form tissues, and these tissues come together to create organs. Organs work in harmony within organ systems such as the digestive or respiratory systems to perform specific functions. This hierarchical organization allows our bodies to operate efficiently and respond to changes in our environment. Understanding these levels is key to grasping the complexity of human anatomy. Let's begin with the skeletal system, the body's structural framework. Our skeleton is made up of 206 bones in adulthood, providing support, protection, and movement. Bones not only give shape to our bodies but also protect vital organs like the brain and heart. Joints connect bones and allow for flexibility, while cartilage cushions and supports movement. The skeletal system also stores minerals and produces blood cells in the bone marrow. It's truly the foundation upon which everything else is built. Next, we have the muscular system, which works closely with the skeleton to enable movement. Muscles are made of fibers that contract and relax, allowing us to walk, run, and even smile. There are three types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones and control voluntary movements. Smooth muscles are found in organs like the stomach and help with involuntary actions. Cardiac muscle makes up the heart, pumping blood throughout the body. Together, these muscles keep us active and alive. Nervous system is the body's control center, coordinating actions and transmitting signals. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain processes information and makes decisions, while the spinal cord relays messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves branch out to every part, allowing us to sense, move, and react. This system is responsible for everything from reflexes to complex thoughts. Without it, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world around us. Circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, transports blood, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the body. The heart acts as a pump, pushing blood through a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. This system delivers essential substances to cells and removes waste products. It also helps regulate body temperature and maintain homeostasis. The circulatory system is vital for survival, ensuring every part of the body gets what it needs to function properly. Breathing is essential for life, and that's the job of the respiratory system. This system includes the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. When we inhale, oxygen enters the lungs and passes into the bloodstream. When we exhale, carbon dioxide is expelled. The respiratory system works closely with the circulatory system to ensure our cells receive the oxygen they need and get rid of waste gases. It's a continuous process that keeps us energized and alive. Digestive system breaks down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can use. It starts in the mouth, continues through the esophagus, stomach, and intestines, and ends at the rectum. Along the way, food is digested, nutrients are absorbed, and waste is eliminated. Organs like the liver and pancreas play important roles in digestion by producing enzymes and bile. This system ensures we get the energy and building blocks needed for growth and repair. Urinary system is responsible for removing waste products from the blood and maintaining fluid balance. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys filter blood, removing toxins and excess water to form urine. This urine travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it's stored until elimination. The urinary system also helps regulate blood pressure and electrolyte levels, playing a crucial role in overall health. Reproductive system enables humans to create new life. In males, it includes organs like the testes and penis, while in females, it consists of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina. This system is responsible for producing gametes, sperm, and eggs, and supporting the development of offspring. Hormones regulate reproductive functions and secondary sexual characteristics. The reproductive system is essential for the continuation of our species. Endocrine system is made up of glands that produce hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate many body functions. Major glands include the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal glands, and pancreas. Hormones control growth, metabolism, reproduction, and stress responses. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to maintain balance and respond to changes in the environment. It's a silent but powerful regulator of our health. Immune system defends the body against infections and diseases. It's made up of white blood cells, lymph nodes, the spleen, and other organs. This system identifies and destroys harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It also remembers previous infections, providing immunity. The immune system is constantly on guard, protecting us from illness and helping us recover when we're sick. It's our body's natural defense force. Integumentary system includes the skin, hair, nails, and glands. It's the body's first line of defense, protecting us from injury, infection, and dehydration. The skin also helps regulate temperature and allows us to sense touch, pain, and temperature. Hair and nails provide additional protection, while glands produce sweat and oils. This system is essential for maintaining the body's internal environment. Lymphatic system is a network of vessels and nodes that helps maintain fluid balance and supports the immune system. It transports lymph, a fluid containing white blood cells, throughout the body. The lymphatic system removes waste, absorbs fats from the digestive tract, and helps fight infections. It works closely with the circulatory and immune systems to keep us healthy and balanced. Cells are the smallest units of life and the foundation of all body structures. Each cell has specialized functions, from carrying oxygen to fighting infections. There are trillions of cells in the human body, organized into different types like muscle, nerve, and skin cells. Cells work together to form tissues and organs, making life possible. Understanding cells is key to understanding how our bodies grow, heal, and function. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together to perform specific tasks. There are four main types: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue covers surfaces and lines cavities. Connective tissue supports and binds other tissues. Muscle tissue enables movement, while nervous tissue transmits signals. Each type plays a unique role in maintaining the body's structure and function. Organs are made up of different tissues working together to perform specific functions. Examples include the heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys. Each organ has a unique role, such as pumping blood, filtering toxins, or digesting food. Organs are essential for survival, and their health is critical for overall well-being. The cooperation between organs allows our bodies to function smoothly. Organ systems are groups of organs that work together to perform major body functions. There are 11 main systems, including the skeletal, muscular, nervous, and circulatory systems. Each system has a specific role, but they all interact to keep us alive and healthy. Understanding organ systems helps us see the big picture of how the body operates as a whole. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. This balance is crucial for survival. Systems like the nervous and endocrine systems constantly monitor and adjust body functions such as temperature, pH, and fluid levels. When homeostasis is disrupted, illness can occur. Our bodies are always working to keep everything in balance. Anatomical position is a standard reference used to describe body parts and locations. In this position, a person stands upright, facing forward, with arms at the sides and palms facing out. This universal stance helps healthcare professionals communicate clearly about where injuries or conditions are located. It's the starting point for all anatomical descriptions. Directional terms help us describe the locations of structures in the body. Words like anterior, front, posterior, back, superior, above, and inferior, below are commonly used. These terms provide clarity when discussing anatomy, ensuring everyone understands exactly where something is located. Mastering these terms is essential for anyone studying the human body. Body planes are imaginary lines that divide the body into sections. The three main planes are sagittal, left and right, frontal, front and back, and transverse, top and bottom. These planes help describe movements and locations of organs. Understanding body planes is important for interpreting medical images and performing procedures. Human body contains several cavities that house and protect organs. The main cavities are the cranial, brain, thoracic, heart and lungs, abdominal, digestive organs, and pelvic, reproductive organs. These spaces allow organs to function properly and provide protection from injury. Knowing the locations of body cavities is essential for understanding anatomy. The body is divided into major regions for easier study and reference. These include the head, neck, trunk, upper limbs, and lower limbs. Each region contains specific organs and structures. Understanding these regions helps in identifying the locations of injuries or diseases and in learning about the body's organization. The head houses the brain, one of the most complex organs in the body. The brain controls thoughts, emotions, movement, and senses. The skull protects the brain, while the face contains sensory organs like the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. The head is essential for communication and perception. The neck connects the head to the trunk and contains vital structures like the trachea, esophagus, blood vessels, and nerves. The throat is involved in breathing, swallowing, and speaking. The neck also supports the head and allows for movement. It's a crucial passageway for air, food, and information. The trunk includes the chest, thorax, and abdomen. The chest houses the heart and lungs, protected by the rib cage. The abdomen contains digestive organs like the stomach, liver, and intestines. The trunk is central to breathing, circulation, and digestion, making it a vital region of the body. The upper limbs include the shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, and hands. These structures allow us to perform a wide range of movements, from lifting and carrying to writing and creating art. The hands are especially important for fine motor skills and interacting with our environment. The lower limbs consist of the hips, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, and feet. They support the body's weight and enable movements such as walking, running, and jumping. The feet provide balance and stability. Healthy lower limbs are essential for mobility and independence. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers and works tirelessly to deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues. The heart's rhythmic contractions are essential for life. Keeping the heart healthy is crucial for overall well-being. The lungs are responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. They fill with air when we inhale and release waste gases when we exhale. The lungs work closely with the heart to supply the body with oxygen. Healthy lungs are vital for energy and endurance. The liver is the body's largest internal organ and performs over 500 functions. It processes nutrients, detoxifies harmful substances, produces bile, and stores energy. The liver is essential for digestion, metabolism, and overall health. Taking care of the liver is key to staying healthy. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs that filter waste from the blood and regulate fluid balance. They produce urine, control blood pressure, and maintain electrolyte levels. The kidneys are vital for removing toxins and keeping the body's internal environment stable. The stomach is a muscular organ that breaks down food using acids and enzymes. It churns food into a semi-liquid form, preparing it for further digestion in the intestines. The stomach plays a key role in nutrient absorption and overall digestive health. The skin is the body's largest organ and serves as a protective barrier. It shields us from injury, infection, and dehydration. The skin also helps regulate temperature and allows us to sense the world through touch. Healthy skin is vital for overall well-being. The eyes are complex organs that allow us to see. They capture light and send signals to the brain, creating images. The eyes are protected by the eyelids and surrounded by muscles that control movement. Vision is one of our most important senses, helping us navigate and experience the world. The ears are responsible for hearing and maintaining balance. They detect sound waves and send information to the brain. The inner ear also contains structures that help us stay upright and oriented. Healthy ears are essential for communication and spatial awareness. The mouth is the entry point for food and air. It contains teeth for chewing, the tongue for tasting and speaking, and salivary glands for producing saliva. The mouth is essential for digestion, communication, and sensory experiences. The nose is responsible for smelling and filtering the air we breathe. It warms and moistens air before it enters the lungs. The nose also contains olfactory receptors that detect different scents. Smell is closely linked to taste and memory. The pancreas has both digestive and hormonal functions. It produces enzymes that help break down food and hormones like insulin that regulate blood sugar. The pancreas is essential for digestion and maintaining energy balance. The spleen is an organ that supports the immune system by filtering blood and removing old or damaged cells. It also helps fight infections and stores white blood cells. The spleen plays a key role in keeping the body healthy and defending against disease. Bones provide the body with structure, support, and protection. They also enable movement by serving as attachment points for muscles. Bones store minerals like calcium and produce blood cells in the marrow. Healthy bones are essential for an active life. Muscles generate the force needed for movement and stability. They contract and relax to move bones, maintain posture, and produce heat. Regular exercise keeps muscles strong and flexible, supporting overall health and preventing injury. We've covered the major systems, organs, and structures that make up the human body. Each part plays a unique and vital role, working together in harmony. Understanding human anatomy helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of our bodies. With this knowledge, we can make informed choices to support our health and well-being. Thank you for joining this journey through the wonders of human anatomy.